Oh, this is sure a nice campfire. Quit mooing cows. Hey, those cows. What the? My pony! It's on fire! No! Oh, whatever, it's just a stupid pony. I'm going to bed. Oh, my fire. Hey, good morning, everyone. Feed the cows. Alright, there you go, cows. That should be off for now. Oh, let's head over to Hippo Campy's house.
Hello?
Oh, hey, Hippo Campy.
Hello?
Wait, you're a Brawny?
What? Wait, what? No.
Wait, yes.
What? Oh my god.
You're
No.
a Brawny.
Dude! What's going on?
Oh god.
Why?
Can we talk about this over cake? I can change your mind.
Over cake? Dude, what's happened? Wait,
You're a Brawny.
I can't live in this world anymore. Look at it. I have to.
Oh god. No.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later.
What? No!
I can't be a brony anymore.
No. Hi, Cows. How's it going? Would you like to be my new best friend?